Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Chubb for claims and service requests, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Chubb for claims and service requests, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Chubb login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login section, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password and gain access to your account. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to refresh and take you to your account dashboard. Once logged in, you'll have access to various options for claims and service requests. To file a new claim, look for a button or link labeled File a Claim on your dashboard. Click on that link to begin the claims process. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary information for your claim. If you need to check the status of an existing claim, locate the Claims Status section. Click on that link to view updates on your pending claims. For service requests, navigate to the Service Request area on your account dashboard. Select the type of service you need from the available options. Fill out the required information and submit your service request. Review your account details regularly to stay informed about your claims and service requests. If you encounter any issues during the login process, consider reaching out to Chubb's customer support for assistance. Make sure to log out of your account after completing your tasks for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.